Good PM, sir. Tanong ko lang po. Ilang buwan po bago ma-regular pag nagtrabaho ka sa isang company, sir? Interesting question from our viewer sa ating Q&A with Proof AMN. Sige po, I will answer this question in a direct, concise, and may example tayo, no? Personal example sa aking anak na recently na regular na po sa trabaho. Alright? Please watch the full video. Let's get started. Unang-una po, i-flex ko lang yung anak ko na nag-graduate last April 2022. So nag-graduate siya as magna cum laude sa Ateneo de Davao University. So may medal siya and together with my wife, Lisa. BS Marketing po yung course ng anak ko. So ang first job niya sa government office, August 22 to December 22. 4 months lang po siya doon nagtrabaho as job order. So, hindi siya naging regular kasi job order lang siya. And then, yan kasi ang entry ng employee sa government office. Job order ka or agency hired contractual. So, matagal ang regular position ng mga government offices unless merong plantilla or open position. Like may nag-resign, nag-retire, and may bagong position na create. Yan ang kalakaran sa government office. So pag walang vacant, ang entry talaga niyan is job order or agency hired contractual. Alright? So second job niya is sa private bank. June 2023 up to December 23. So 6 months po. After that, na maganda yung performance niya, as a result, yung boss niya, gikuha siya as regular employee after 6 months. So na permanent siya o regular employee January 2024. So yan po ang sagot ko sa tanong niyo, ma'am or sir. Depende po yan sa company na tinatrabahuan natin. Pero according sa law, after 6 months talaga, dapat ma-regular na ang employee. Pero if na-hire ka as job order or agency hire contractual, meron niya mga contract, employment contract. So, normally 6 months lang po, then renewable after 6 months. So, walang regular po yan unless yung HR, sabihan ka na probationary ka for regular employment. In the absence of that, yun lang. Renew lang po yung contract mo as job order and contractual if tapos na po yung contract ninyo. So, yan po. So, sir and ma'am, again, depende po yan sa employment contract, sa performance po ninyo, sa company, if i-hire kayo as regular employee na. Alright? So, hope na nasagot ko yung question po ninyo. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And two thumbs up.